Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? It all comes from your diaphragm, the muscle that controls your breathing. Sometimes it suddenly contracts by mistake, forcing a rush of air into your throat. That air makes your vocal cords slam shut, and that's the little hic sound you hear. Here's the crazy part. Scientists still don't know exactly why it happens. Some believe it's just a body glitch, while others think it's a leftover reflex from our ancient ancestors. Either way, hiccups are still a mystery we haven't fully solved.